Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Inspect the antenna mount and cable, check firmware version, and ensure battery voltage is stable. Once done, power the machine and enable the GPS unit. Make sure the receiver acquires satellites and shows position quality. Next, connect to your correction source, set up RTK or base station parameters, and enter N-trip credentials if required. You do this first, so the system gets accurate offsets and avoids rework in grading. It saves time on. Now you configure machine parameters. Select the correct dozer model in the controller, enter blade offsets and implement geometry, and confirm antenna lever arm values. Once configured, calibrate working height and tilt limits so blade motion translates to precise elevation changes, and enable any slope or finish modes you will use. Run a short test pass across a known reference and note elevation differences. This test verifies that software, sensors, and hydraulics are integrated and catches mechanical misalignment before full production. You proceed with the work by following design lines on the display, using incremental passes and monitoring the guidance error budget. Make short, corrective moves rather than large guesses. After finishing, log as built data and upload corrections to the office for QA. If you see sudden jumps or loss of accuracy, stop, reseat the antenna and check cables, restart the RTK link or base station, and rerun the calibration pass. This recovers precision quickly and prevents costly rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.